Hello, welcome to all attendants, and for some of you coming far from France and even from Europe, thank you. We have participants at that time from US, from UK, from Swiss, from Italy, Germany, Austria, and even from Ukraine and Israel. From Ukraine, it will be Zoom meeting. Yeah, all referred to as Mars societies. I hope coming here was not too much a hassle because it was not easy to find because of roadworks and you may have turned a bit. Anyway, you're here. We should be total registered people here, 80 persons. So some other coming, other people are coming only tomorrow, and including Robert Zubrin, who was unable personally to be there today, but he will be there tomorrow and give his talk at 2 p.m. Tomorrow. So this is a new, we are launching again the European Mars Convention tradition, which happened up to 2019, last version in UK. Now we are launching that again, and then there was COVID, and well, we expect to start a new generation of European Mars Convention. This time we paid a lot of attention, established personal contact with European Mars societies, and also a bit further, as I explained. We expect a restart. I think globally, generally speaking, between European Mars societies, we should have more opportunities to talk and to exchange. And that's what we intend to do during this new event. We need to exchange, to share vision, result, experience, and projects. As some examples only, and I'm certainly missing some of them, so all my apologies for that. For instance, when Poland launches a European rover contest in France, it's not enough known. And we must promote that and get some European teams and French teams. That's our experience. When Belgium launched a simulation center, we are not also really all aware of that. When Austria launches AMEDE program, OEWF, also, we may certainly more promote that and exchange about that. And when we, in France, we are doing a lot, we have a background of doing a lot of research and publications on Mars habitats, on insight resource utilization, and so on. And all these reports, some of them are in English, are not well promoted at that time. So there is a long way to do to better exchange between European Mars societies. That's my conviction. And so during this convention, I see it as an opportunity to relaunch intercommunication process at European level and, of course, to beyond Europe. Final comment, I would like to thank during this meeting the founders of Association Planète Mars, which is a French society, French Mars Society. In particular, Richard Heinemann, many of you know, I'm sure, whose health condition prevents him to be here. But I'm sure in Vernon, he thinks about this meeting and he will be able to attend later on our YouTube channel, but no connection, unfortunately. And I would like also to thank the memory of Alain Souchier, who passed in 2018. Both were talented propulsion engineer of the very early Ariane programs. Very high scientific and technical reputation. And they were also co-founders of the Mars Society in US in 1998. And then they co-founded French society, French Mars Society in 1999. Yes, exactly. And I also will thank Pierre Brisson, who is here, who is a veteran of also Mars Society France. He was also a co-founder of the Mars Society in US, and he was founder of the Mars Society Switzerland, and we have been for many, many years a link together. That's what I intended to introduce this meeting. I think we have a panel of very, very good talks. We are very happy with that. Just a few words about organization. So there are a lot of restaurants for food. There is a lot of restaurants around here. We have nothing specifically planned for this evening, but we may set up some common dinner this evening if for people interested. Please talk to me. And tomorrow evening too, including participation of Robert Zubrin for the dinner tomorrow evening. So somewhere around here, I would say. Thank you.
Well, thank you. First of all, perhaps this is Philippe Clermont. You have to introduce yourself first.
I'm president, current president, third president and president of Mars Society France. Yeah, but most of them.
Yes, okay. So I am Jean-Marc Salotti, chair of the conference. I'm very pleased, really, to see you and to welcome you here in Paris for this European Mars conference. So I will quickly present to you this organization. So the conference program. So we have this morning some talks. As you can see, this is dedicated to Mars exploration programs. So we will have people from the Laboratoire Astrophysique de Bordeaux, from CNRS, and another one from ESA, another person from CNES, and another person who presents a specific pioneering high-speed Earth-Mars connectivity. Anyway, this is for the morning. Then we will go for lunch in many restaurants nearby, so we have many possibilities here. This afternoon, we will have many discussions, many talks about exobiology, life support, and sustainable development. So this is a very particular topic here. I try to put every talk that concerned with life support, especially life support, but also the connection between sustainable development and the exploration of Mars. And this is the reason why you have, at the end of the afternoon, a panel discussion. So the focus is what is the return on investment for human exploration of Mars. So there is a sustainable development links, but many other topics will be addressed here. So we will have, I think, an interesting discussion with Lucie Thibault. You can see the speakers for the panel discussion. Lucie Thibault, Lucie Poulet, Antonio Del Mastro, Alexis Paillet, and Philippe Clermont, who will present to you their views on the return on investment. I think it will be very interesting to see that panel discussion this afternoon. Okay, so, and for the next day, for tomorrow, the first, in the morning, we will try to focus on Mars analog missions. So simulations, Mars analog missions. Many people are working in that domain, so we have many interesting in the presentation here. Okay, this is for the morning, and then for the afternoon, we have some talks about Mars missions, engineering, and challenges. Be careful, sometimes it was difficult to place someone in the morning, in the afternoon. So I try my best for that, but sometimes it's not completely in simulations, and the other one not exactly in engineering and so on. But I think we will have more or less a good organization. And at the end, so an important point is at the end of tomorrow, we have another panel discussion. It is written here, collaboration among the different chapters. if a chapter would like to add something, and to present something to the other chapters, this is where you have to do that. You know, because some chapters are going to present their specific, science topic. Okay, good idea. But then at the end of tomorrow, it will be an opportunity for the chapters to present a chapter if it hasn't been done before, or to talk about a specific project that you would like to communicate to the other chapters. So it's the place to do that. Yes, I wanted also to add something. There is a chapter missing, an important chapter. Well, many probably are missing, although we have many chapters already here. But an important chapter is the German chapter. Is not present here. However, I had the person in charge of the German Mars Society chapter, and he said he could not come. There are some problems anyway. So, but he wanted to be there. And so I have some words about for him. I will present, I think, tomorrow at the end of the afternoon. So that's it.